I just bought this jointer. Bought it used. It's almost brand new. Can't really show you the knives, but the guy... There you can see the notches in the blades. The guy I bought it from chopped into some staples and nails. The new blades are a month away, so I just thought I would try to, like I say, it's almost brand new, so I thought I would try to sharpen them myself just to get by. And this is one that I've sharpened up already, and this is the one I just took out that I'm just about to get into. It works pretty good on this little bitty belt sander. I'm gonna plug it in.